Welcome back, my lovelies, and on this, our fourth day of our 7 days of soup, we are celebrating the glorious tribute to fat, salt, and carbs that is beer cheese soup. Beginning with ingredient prep, we will need, of course, cheese. 14 ounces of Irish-style cheddar, which I will use all of the strength in my biceps to grate. Then we will toss this with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will help thicken the soup later. Next, 1 large yellow onion, roughly chopped, and mince about 5 cloves of garlic. If you can use less garlic if you don't like it as much as we do. Now, to sauté our onions, you can use either butter or bacon fat. I happen to have some bacon fat, so that's what I'm going to use. Add the onions and sauté over medium to medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. We don't really want to develop any color on these, we just want them soft and translucent. Now add the garlic and sauté another minute or 2, making sure the garlic does not burn. We don't want burned garlic, it tastes bitter, it's not good. Now, we'll add the onions and garlic to a blender and add about a cup of our chicken stock. And blend until smooth. Return this mixture to the pot. Add another 3 cups of chicken stock and 24 ounces of beer. I'm using an American blonde ale for this soup. Bring this mixture to a simmer and add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and the shredded cheddar cornstarch mixture, whisking well after each addition until the soup is smooth and slightly thickened, but do not let it boil. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and whisk. Taste for seasoning. Add some black pepper to taste if you like. Fresh ground is preferred, of course, but I happen to be all out of peppercorns. Serve this up with garnishes of your choice. I like garlic and butter croutons for this, but hey, it's beer cheese, you can't go wrong. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.